It's a little slippery, but that's all right. That's all it's fun. Whoa, slipping and slides. This is going to be a course where the bigger tires are going to come in. That's when you're going to see that. Now remember, and he's got their big knees on the back of that I was talking about. You don't see near the slide and you saw that first pass. That He's not out of shape on that one. We got all kinds of. Let's see what he does on this corner. See if he makes it. Turns in a pretty good job. Got two more trucks to take out Zimmer. Getting after it hard. You come into this turn. Get out the back. A little bit. Staying with it. That's going to cost the pressure. Very slippery here. He's got a green light. We can hear you now, Jeff Perrin. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Excitement himself, 11-year World Finals veteran, Jimmy Koehler-Avenger. First rule, as you know, of every announcer, clearly, Jeff, is to never give up your microphone.
Come on,
especially not to Jimmy Koehler of Team Scream, your winner for the first ever Soaring Monster Truck Madness.
You guys having fun out there? I'd like to thank everybody that came out, all the fans that came out. Hope you guys are having a great time. Definitely tell Soaring Eagle how much you loved it, because we loved being here with them. They've been great to us. That casino rocks. You guys rock. But freestyle is next.
You see why he's gold? Team Scream and Mr. Excitement. It's Jimmy Koehler-Avenger. Your winner.